dolls, like show dolls, or are they to
They're all
play with?
princesses.
Yeah, like Princess Barbie type things.
My boss said he was mad because they came out with the set. He's like, I had to buy those damn things one by one, and I'm mad now. They were like, he said they were almost...
Got them all, huh?
Almost $7, $8 a piece.
Did you get them all?
And the whole set was...
You don't know what to do. She's like...
All the extra packaging.
Do you know who they are?
1, 2, 3.
Shut it in. Feels good. Oh, shut it in. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Right.
There you go.
6, 7, 8,
Nice.
9.
Very nice.
9? Well, there's only 7, but...